CM Panchal, exercise number 87. While on taxation, I want to make one request to the finance minister, and that is for the middle classes with fixed incomes. Their taxes are collected at the source. They are the only section of society who are honestly paying their taxes. They are the people most affected by the rise in prices and change in taxation structure. They do not evade paying taxes. This particular sector has had the exemption limit of nearly rupees 40,000 before the war. The same limit exists even today. It is not fair when the value of the rupees has fallen. At least some relief should be given to this sector by raising the limit to rupees 60,000. Not you collect their taxes in advance at the source, but you collect more than what is due because you will be getting interest on the advance payments. Therefore, I plead that this limited should be raised to rupees 60,000. Mr. Masani always repeats the theory that if you reduce taxes, there will be more industrial and economic activity. He always quotes Kennedy saying that by reducing taxes, he really helped the economy of the American society. But Mr. Masani forgets he is talking about an affluent society. The volume for turnover is large so that the collection will be more if there is some reduction in the taxes than what could be got by higher taxation. The same thing over.